Hey there, it's Matt, and quick video here about getting your OpenAI API key. If you're asking, do you need one? Yes, you do need one in order to create AI agents and of course AI. So you gotta go to platform.openai.com. I'll be putting the link in the description below. And then once you're here, you should see this page. Sign in with your ChatGPT account. Go to settings, and then select on API keys. Create new secret key. You can name it whatever you want. I'll name it automation, select a project, and then create secret key. Right? Now, make sure to store this in somewhere safe because if a hacker or anyone else gets access to this, they can just basically ruin your wallet. All right? They can charge you $100, $200 overnight just using this API key. So definitely store this somewhere safe. Right? Copy this because this isn't going to be shown to you anymore. This will only be shown to you once on this page. So make sure, again, to store it somewhere safe. But in case that your API key got hacked, just, delete it from here. Then just to show you that it works, I've got my NNN workflow here. Open this one. Let's try to connect a new OpenAI. I've got a bunch of them here. Copy the API key here. Then don't need to set the organization ID. Don't need to set this. Just click on save. I'm not going to save that because there's so much here. But after that, you should be good to go. Now, you might be asking, Matt, can I just get something for free? You can, right? Google Gemini using Google Studio actually has a free limit. So you can get your own API key using aistudio.google.com. Again, I'll put the link in the description. Once you're there, of course, sign in with your Google account and then create API key, right? Just to show you what it looks like when you go to AI Studio, just go to get API key, create API key. And then again, you're going to need a Google Cloud project. And then I think it's going to require you to have one or create one. I don't know. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to set this, create API key in an existing project. Then once that's done, you've got this API key completely for free. You didn't have to pay for anything. I mean that no credit card required. And then let's go here. Instead of OpenAI chat model, let's select, let's select Google Gemini. Then again, create new credential, paste your API key here, and you should be good. You should be able to test your AI. Actually, you know what? Let's try that out. Save. Just to show you that it's free. That was a new account I set up. I didn't put my credit card there. Hey. All right. Let's wait for it. Oh, okay. Hold on. This was the reason because we chose Gemini 1.0 Pro. So you gotta make sure that you're using the latest ones. And the latest one is 2.5, which is super good. Then you're getting it for free. All right. Let's say we want this. Let's try and say, hey. All right. Should be good. It's taking a while. But, this is a free API key. And I'll show you one more so that you can get your free API key without having to put any credit cards or what. It's taking a while. All right, so after a bit of debugging, turns out you can only use specific models when you're using the free version. So I just used 1.5 Flash. So you gotta look at the supported models for free tier. But I'm telling you, there is a 2.5 version here. I think Flash. You know what? I'm not gonna stop. Hey, I hope this works. There we go. So you can use the Flash versions completely for free, no credit card required. Last is this one called OpenRouter.ai. This platform is one of the only platforms that offers one API key for all platforms. Instead of having an API key for OpenAI, an OpenAI key for like Gemini, you can have just one using this platform. And I'm not gonna like set everything up, but they've got a pretty straightforward. Actually, I already have an account here. I don't know if I can get my key here. Yeah, so as we can see, like when you lose that key, you need to like create an API key. But they've got very generous free versions that you can definitely use. When you try and search for free, I don't know what goes here, but look, you can even use R1 for free using this platform. All right, so definitely go check OpenRouter out. I've got a video as well here, somewhere here, to set that up. Anyway, that's all. You should not have any more excuses about paying for API keys using this video. That's all. Bye.